Yeah. Do you like it?
It's not real.
I swear on my life it is.
What? Happy Lords?
Yeah.
Why Happy Lords?
Because it's just saying that me and Joe doing that fair. Do you like it?
No.
Why?
Because it doesn't make sense.
It does. We always say, are you happy? And you go, happy, yeah, happy loads.
I like the writing in that, yeah, but...
Do you not like it?
No, I think it's crap.
Why?
Because I don't think it makes sense.
Yes, it does.
Happy Lords.
I like it.
It's not real.
I swear on my life, lick it.
Licking? Why would you want to
Smell it.
lick it?
Smell it.
I don't want to lick it.
Smell it.
Where did you get that done?
Today.
Where?
MV Ink in Stockton. Smell it. You better smell it. 20 quid. Me and Joe got it.
I think you're off your tree.
Why?
Because I think you're at. Writing's nice, like.
Oh, wasn't me?
No,